Okay. Um, this code is mostly just done in C sharp because yeah. Um, it's actually adapted from one I was working on originally for this project. However, it's been shortened to knock out one dimension. This is all the code for previous exam or previous project, so it's been shortened to just do square. Um, we can see here that the main project contains firstly 3-degree values. They come into importance when we want to actually move this square around. In the main section here we have the window that's been created, the main cube, which in this case is just a square, and the rendering device. In here we can see the do loop, which basically just runs the entire program over and over and over until the window is closed. Here we have the handle input, which happens second after the square is handed in, and it simply changes the degree of the square depending on where it is and what button is pressed. Secondly, we've actually got the points in their location within the relative world, X, Y, and Z. Obviously, each changes depending on the input. Here, the cube, or in this case square, has got the 4 points for each corner, and we create the face for that square down here. The face class itself is rather simple, as it simply just holds a list of all 4 points, and it has a draw function within it, which basically just draws 2 triangles making up the square. Finally, in the code, we have the render process, the render class, which basically picks the color depending on what we put in, and draws the face according to the previous section. Here we can see the square being rotated in the 3D world. This is left, right, up, and down. It also has the ability to rotate around clockwise or anti-clockwise. This just depends on where it is within the world and how you press the button. Okay,